In this video, guys, I'm going to share one of the most superfood that you can add into your diet in order to lose weight. But before that, make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below, give me a like, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, this is my recipe: 2 slices of lemon and a glass of water and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. The 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have almost 10 grams of fiber. That's around 40% of the recommended daily intake. And you know, guys, this is one of the most simplest ways to include chia seeds into the water and wait for 20 to 30 minutes in order to absorb, because I'm gonna show you when it's absorbing. And despite their small size, guys, chia seeds are full of important nutrients. And you know, guys, they are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid, rich in antioxidants, and they provide fiber, iron, and calcium. What chia seeds can do into your diet? Because you will feel fuller in a longer time, and very high in protein and very high in fiber, which makes you make full. And also, guys, chia seeds can help our bone more stronger. If you're doing a workout, chia seeds can also help our bone more stronger because they are high in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Guys, I am not a professional expert or I am not a doctor, but I did a research about chia seeds and it's very effective for me because I've been using this for a month now, and the result is amazing. And also, guys, it's high in antioxidant, which makes your skin glowing and flawless and make your smiles beautiful. They're very tiny seeds, but you know, when it absorbs into the water, it becomes like a gel. It's become bigger. So at the same time, when you drink it or when you consume it, it's become more larger into your tummy, and it makes you feel full longer period of time. And guys, that's how chia seeds do into our body, because it's very nutritious and there's a lot of benefits that you can get by taking chia seeds and adding into your diet. You can also add into your smoothies, into your pastries. But of course, guys, if you're eating donuts, sweets, and adding chia seeds, it will not affect, or it will no longer affect, because chia seeds is very less in calorie also, and it's very advisable if you are into a diet. You can just add these chia seeds into your diet so that will helps you losing weight. Basically, guys, I'm taking chia seeds late in the afternoon around 5 o'clock because until now I am doing an intermittent fasting, and the first meal that I'm having is 12 o'clock noon and the last meal is 5 o'clock. So this 5 o'clock I'm going to have a light meal, and I add chia seeds into my meal because it makes me feel more fuller and fuller in a longer period of time. And yes, for me it's very effective because it helps me not craving a lot of food, and I am using this for almost a month, and I feel it's really good for me because that's my experience. Well, guys, if you want to use and add chia seeds into your diet, then go for it. This is not sponsored. I just want to give a review of what chia seeds did to me, because for me it was a very good experience of having chia seeds into my diet. And yes, you will get lots of nutrition from chia seeds, and for me, I recommend using chia seeds, adding into your diet. And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click that notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.